Welcome, dear governors and friends, to the 2024 Board of Governors meeting.
Being together gives us a sense of purpose, inspiration, and strength.
We chose Tel Aviv University because it demonstrates national leadership and is involved in so many different ways throughout the entire state of Israel and in the world.
Tel Aviv University is going to be a very major partner in rebuilding Israeli society.
I refuse to give up on the right of all individuals everywhere, regardless of identity, to live productive and fulfilling lives with pride, with dignity, in safety, and in peace.
I wish to offer a message of hope, even optimism.
When this is over, there will be a new Israel. There will be a new Israel.
I believe that this nation is resilient enough to overcome this tough period, and together we will emerge from it even stronger.